Hey guys, TJ here. So I wanted to do a quick video. When I was working with my Hero 6, I needed to do an update, and I was having a lot of problems, and I have a lot of problems when I use applications on smartphones, so I was looking to do it manually. So that's where I found it online, how to do it, and I figured to make a quick video. So for you guys, if you want to do it manually, if you want to do it over GoPro's website, all you have to do is go to GoPro's website. Now here you do have to register your camera. You have to put in the serial number, and once you do that in your email, it goes and it generates this download update. So for Mac users, it'll download there into an update, and then all you got to do is just take this folder and put it into the SD card. Now this is the SD card that we're going to put into our new GoPro, right? So there it is, update. It's right there in our SD card file. Alright guys, so once you get your SD card out of your computer, go ahead and insert your SD card into the GoPro, close the door, go ahead and turn it on, and you should start to see this little GoPro icon. It'll say 1 of 2, and that's when it's going to start running its updates. And honestly, it's that easy. So once you go ahead and just put the SD card in your GoPro, turn it on, it'll start cycling through. You'll hear a couple beeps. As long as you don't get an error message, everything's been updated for you automatically, and that's how you update your GoPro. So anyway guys, like I was saying, when I was online trying to figure it out, I didn't really see anything. I had to do a lot of searching, so I just figured I'd make this quick video, help people out. So that's the simple, it's super simple. I mean, less than 5 minutes and we're already done and updated our GoPro. So anyway, hope you guys having a great day. We'll talk to y'all later.